Adobe Photoshop CC. Is Photoshop CC the same as Photoshop? Adobe Photoshop CC is a picture, image, as well as design editing and enhancing software program built for specialist designers, photographers, and artists. The imaging as well as design application is a part of Adobe Creative Cloud solution and permits users to create websites, mobile apps, posters, banners, as well as symbols with the help of its user-friendly templates and instinctive devices. It likewise provides professional photography tools which help develop and boost photos, transforming them into amazing works of art. In addition, Adobe Photoshop CC lets customers create and also enhance paints, images, and also 3D artworks. Photoshop CC deals on a subscription basis with a regular monthly fee, which additionally consists of a termination cost otherwise paid on schedule. The software program will instantly stop working on this problem, whereas Photoshop was available with a single payment. Photoshop had a simple workspace, while Photoshop CC has a fantastic workspace making work quite quickly and pleasurable. Photoshop doesn't sustain various layer adjustments like using several darkness designs and also copy-paste layers, whereas Photoshop CC does sustain all of them. Since Photoshop is an elementary software program, all the designers are well known for its functions, whereas Photoshop CC is an expansion to its predecessor, so discovering it is not a troublesome job. About Adobe Photoshop CC certification. Adobe Photoshop CC course is the most effective means to find out how to make use of Photoshop. Edit images and also layout graphics the means you visualize them. Download and install practice pictures and Photoshop documents. At the start of this training course, you'll download a folder of images as well as task data so you can practice and also learn. The Method Photoshop CC course training course has been designed is made to educate you detailed how to properly make use of Adobe Photoshop. To put it simply, you will certainly find out everything you require knowledge to be able to function correctly with this software. Significance of Adobe Photoshop CC course in 2021. The Adobe Photoshop CC course encompasses many advantages to its user which has actually already been gone over. Also, it enables the user to execute a vast range of things. Such features cannot be erudite by a specific or customer themselves. In order to discover every little thing concerning Photoshop, one requires enlisting him/her in appropriate Photoshop training. Adobe Photoshop CC training course is designed for media professionals that have little experience working with Photoshop. Advanced Photoshop individuals without any formal training will certainly also take advantage of this class as tips, techniques, keyboard faster ways, and important foundation skills are covered throughout this class. Training facility in UAE, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah. If you are looking for the Adobe Photoshop CC in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Sharjah in UAE, you are reading the right article. Zabeel Institute has designed the best Adobe Photoshop CC preparation course. Zabeel Institute is well known for delivering several successful batches for the best Adobe Photoshop CC training every year. Zabeel ensures to help all students with all sorts of assistance for their brilliant performance in the exam. Zabeel Institute, established in 1988, is a leading educational and training institute for executives in Dubai. Zabeel Institute is by the KHDA and Ministry of Education UAE. Zabeel offers training programs to professionals from various industries like airlines, travel and tourism, engineering, construction, accounts and finance, information technology, logistics, languages, and management. For further information, please contact phone 00971 4397 4905. WhatsApp 009715052585501. Email mail@zabeelinstitute.ae. Website www.zabeelinstitute.ae. Inquiry https://zabeelinstitute.ae/inquire/